How to find USDT address on a Binance account on PC. Now it's easy and simple. Now after you log into your Binance account, now click on deposit. Now after that, click on deposit crypto, and as you can see, it will show you this to fill the information. Now enter the crypto that you want. Select the USDT, sorry. Now after that, select the network. Now here it is important to select the network. So for example, if you set like you want to receive that USDT from another wallet, and that wallet, for example like BitGet, you select the network like TRX, and in Binance you select like ETH. Now make sure that you select the same network. If you may or if you change the network, you will lose your USDT. Okay, so make sure to select the network as the same as the wallet that you want to send or that you want to receive. Make it like the same. So for me, for example, I set it like for example, I will set it TRX like that. Now after that, this is your address. Now just click on copy, and now you get your USDT address on your Binance account. So this is how to find or how to get your USDT address on Binance accounts. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and like the video. See you in the next video.